What is up, everyone? Today you're watching Cooking with Casten, and this is the last episode of EETV. Let's just get through this. Today we're making a southern classic, fried chicken. So, without further ado, let's get into this.
Half cup flour, 1 teaspoon cayenne, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, mix, half cup milk, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, as much hot sauce as you want, dip the chicken in the wet mix, and then the dry mix, and then the wet mix again, and then the dry mix. Put peanut oil in the pan and bring it to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put chicken in until golden brown.
It might not be the prettiest chicken ever, but it tastes pretty good.